Use a slim transition strip or reducer to create a clean, watertight edge between vinyl plank, bathroom flooring, and adjacent materials. When transitioning between vinyl plank and tile or carpet, first measure the finished heights and plan to get them as close as possible for the cleanest result. For small height differences under 3/16 of an inch, use a flush aluminum or T-molding that sits between the two surfaces. Set the molding on a continuous adhesive or track anchored to the subfloor and butt the vinyl planks tightly against it. For larger drops, install a reducer strip that slopes gently from the vinyl down to the lower material so there is no abrupt trip hazard and moisture does not pool at the joint. Cut the vinyl plank ends square and cleanly with a fine-tooth utility knife, scored several times, then snapped for a precise fit. File any tight corners and dry fit pieces before final adhesive or locking engagement. When joining to carpet, trim the carpet backing so the tack strip is exposed a hair away from the transition and use a transition that overlaps the carpet edge slightly, securing the transition to the subfloor rather than the carpet to avoid loosening. Finally, caulk any hairline gaps with a paintable, mildew-resistant silicone where the joint may be wet, and use a threshold piece if there is a severe height difference to provide a stable, finished edge. The three most common issues are uneven height, water intrusion, and sloppy cuts. If heights do not match, route or shim the subfloor under the lower material or use a purpose-built reducer so the walking surface is smooth and safe. To prevent water intrusion at bathroom edges, select a watertight transition profile and apply mildew-resistant silicone in the seam while keeping the caulk bead neat and continuous. For poor cutting and gaps, take time to make precise score and snap cuts, dry fit before final installation, and use a tapping block and pull bar so planks seat correctly against the transition. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for flooring and gives contractors a place to find new jobs and showcase their work. We also host a community discussion area where we and other members share real-world tips, product experiences, and installation advice.